Hey everyone, welcome back to Get a Simple. Today, we're diving into the world of web hosting, specifically looking at Fastcomet. Fastcomet is a top choice for beginners looking for web hosting. With supercharged SSD storage, 99.9% uptime, and security features like free automatic backups, daily malware scans, and SSL certificates, Fastcomet ensures your website loads quickly. The user-friendly cPanel makes managing your website and databases easy, and Fastcomet offers 24/7 technical support. Fastcomet offers competitive pricing and a 45-day money-back guarantee, making it an excellent choice for any website hosting needs. To get started with Fastcomet hosting, visit to the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips to get a simple life.